So we have a ladder going against a wall. This is 2.3. Here's my ladder. And then we know this is going to be 8.2. And so there's the length. We can find the length of the ladder, but then we're going to swing it over to another wall, same ladder, and it's going to be 6 feet tall. So we need to find out what this angle is, and we want to know the entire distance here. Well, the key thing is the ladder is the same length. So this is the ladder, and this is the ladder. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of L. 8.2 squared plus 2.3 squared is going to be L squared. So let's see what that's going to be. The square root of 8.2 squared plus 2.3 squared, that means our ladder is actually 8.5 in length. So that's 8.5 in length. This is 8.5 in length. Now we can find that angle and we can find the length of the other side.